As always, my name's Jasper, and what we're going to be covering today is ChatGPT for Business. So a little bit of ChatGPT training. So let's dive straight in. So what we'll be doing is working with 5 different prompts, and I'll be showing you of how you can use these sort of prompts to help your business or your employees really just do things a bit more efficiently and timely. So first off, we have act as a marketing specialist. So we'll have that prompt sort of help us with anything marketing related. Then we have act as an email cold outreach specialist, so people that write cold emails for people. And then we've got act as a project manager when you're trying to manage those projects. Then we've got analyze business trends and challenges, and also act as a blog post idea generator. So let's do the first one here. So we've got act as a marketing strategist. So let's copy the prompt. Now, just so you know, all these prompts and more will be in the description. I have created a Notion doc that has a list of probably over maybe 40 or 50 different prompts now, where you can use them as you want. So let's take the first one. I'm on standard ChatGPT 4, so just the default version. So let's paste it in. So what we have here is I want you to act as a marketing strategist who can assist in developing a comprehensive marketing plan for a new product launch. Share insights on understanding the target market, setting marketing objectives and defining the unique value proposition. Offer guidance on selecting the most effective marketing channels, crafting compelling marketing messages, and allocating the marketing budget to provide tips on tracking performance metrics, to evaluate the success of the marketing strategy, and making necessary adjustments. My first request is help me create a marketing plan for a new eco-friendly cleaning product targeting environmentally conscious consumers, focusing on digital marketing strategies for our outreach target audience. Now that was a lot to take in, so all you need to do is, if you were going to use this, you would change this last part here, just explaining your business and what you're wanting it to help you with. So let's just go with this example and we'll give it a go. So as you can see here, it just starts listing out demographics, so understanding the target market, typically Gen Z, eco-friendly messaging. Then we've got the marketing objectives, the unique value propositions, social medias, influencers, and as you can see, it's just giving you everything you would need as a business owner. If you needed help with marketing but didn't have maybe a marketing team or a marketing person and you were just unsure on what to do, these sort of things can definitely help you out. So let's just stop it there and move on to the next one. So the next one is act as a email cold outreach specialist. So let's once again copy the prompt, put it in here, and we go, I want you to act as an email cold outreach specialist who can help me craft effective and personalized cold emails to potential clients, partners, and collaborators. Share strategies on how to find the right contact information, research the recipient, and create a compelling subject line. Offer guidance on crafting the email body with a strong instruction, clear value proposition, and on an actionable call to action. My first request is, once again, see, this is the first request, so this is where you would edit and say what you would like it to do. So go, help me write a cold email to a prospective client for my website design services, highlighting the benefits of website design. So let's see how it does. So as you can see, it's saying find the right contact information, so it's giving you information there. Research the recipients. Crafting a compelling subject line, so improving, brackets, first impressions, a web design proposal. So that was actually quite good, I like that. And then as you can see, it's even writing everything out. So let's say if you were a business owner and you needed to make a cold email and you weren't really in the sales role, or you weren't too sure what to do with sales, this would clearly help you out and give you that extra lending hand, really. So let's just stop it there. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Then we've got act as a project manager. So let's dive in and see how this could help business owners. So let's come back here. So we go, I want you to act as a project manager who can create effective strategies for meeting project deadlines, share insights on managing tasks, resources, timelines, mitigating risks, and maintaining clear communication among team members and stakeholders. Offer guidance on using project management tools, techniques, and methodologies such as Agile or Waterfall to improve efficiency and productivity. My first request is, once again, so this is where you would add what you would like it to do. You go develop a comprehensive project plan for launching a new website, including task breakdown, timeline, resource allocation, and contingency plan to ensure the project is completed on schedule. So let's give it a go. And there you have it. So we've got the project scope to design, and then you'd have it in there. Then we've got the task breakdown, so you've got the design phase, the development phase, testing phase, and launch phase, which isn't too bad. That's pretty standard phases. We've got the timeline that says 3 weeks for design, 5 weeks for development, 2 weeks for testing, 1 week launch. Yeah, that's all right. It would be usually you might have a bit of testing for the client time in there as well, but not bad. So let's stop it there. So as you can see, the project manager, AI project manager, managed to give us everything we asked for. So that's quite good. So let's say if you had a project you want to do for your small business, don't have project managers, this is a way to really get a clear understanding of how to run a project at your company without the use of a project manager. Next is up, we've got analyze business trends and challenges. So let's grab that. Let's put it here. So go, please analyze the current state of the industry. So industry will be your industry. Let's put marketing. Current state of marketing, and describe its trends, challenges, and opportunities. Support your analysis with relevant data and statistics. Additionally, provide a comprehensive list of key players in the industry for the short-term and long-term industry forecasts. Please outline the projected outlook. Finally, discuss the potential impact of current events or future developments of the industry. Let's see how it does. So right here we've got current state of marketing, digital dominance. So traditional marketing continues to be relevant, but digital marketing, so maybe we should be more specific. I probably should have told it digital marketing, but that's okay. So, and yeah, it's listing everything else. We've got the trends, so influencer marketing, that's true. Voice search and smart speakers, that is true. Interactive content, definitely a lot of AR and VR stuff coming out. So as you can see, it's really good. You got challenges there, GDPR, so that's very true. Definitely if you've got clients in Europe, you need to follow that. So as you can see, that really did analyze the current market. So let's say you wanted to get an idea of where your business should go, and you need some, I guess, some industry market sort of view. Well, you could do this for your industry and get an idea of other avenues your business could actually do within your industry. So let's move on to the next. The next is act as a blog post ideas generator. Nice and simple, but can always be handy. So this will be the last one. Let's go down here. And you go, I want you to act as a content strategist who can brainstorm and generate engaging blog post topics that cater to my target audience, share insights on identifying trending topics, understand audience interests, and align content with my blog's overall theme and goals. Offer advice on how to create compelling titles, balance evergreen and timely content, and use SEO keywords effectively. My first request is, so this is where you would put in your details, generate a list of blog posts for a topic, and let's put our topic, let's say digital marketing. Nice and simple. And then let's see how it does. So we've got the first one. There we go. So understanding your interests, digital marketing professionals. Let's see what we've got here. And now we've got our blog post. So we've got the ABCs of digital marketing, a comprehensive guide for beginners, 10 timeless SEO techniques for every marketer should know, email marketing 101. So there you go. It's given it lots of topics and different aspects, which is really good. So let's say if you have a blog on your business website, but you're not really posting a lot of content on there because you're not too sure, ChatGPT can definitely help you out with that. It will be able to give you the titles. It could also give you descriptions and write the actual whole post itself. So that would definitely help people in there. But thanks for watching the video today. As mentioned, you'll be able to find all these prompts and more in the link in the description. It will take you through to a Notion doc where you can access it easily for free. And if you do like the content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and look out for the next ChatGPT video. See you soon.